Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss that many of us love and enjoy: coffee. Did you know that your morning cup of joe can offer more than just a wake-up call? That's right, coffee has some surprising benefits for both your heart and body. Stick around as we delve into these amazing benefits. And make sure to watch the video till the end so you don't miss out any benefits. Now let's get started. Improved heart function. Improved heart function due to moderate coffee consumption has been a topic of interest in recent studies. One of the primary reasons for this improvement is the presence of antioxidants in coffee. Antioxidants are compounds that combat oxidative stress in the body, which is a major contributor to inflammation and cellular damage. By reducing inflammation, antioxidants in coffee help to protect the cardiovascular system from potential harm. Moreover, these antioxidants also play a role in protecting against arterial damage. Arterial damage can lead to the buildup of plaque, narrowing the arteries, and increasing the risk of cardiovascular diseases such as heart attacks and strokes. The protective effects of coffee's antioxidants help to maintain the elasticity and integrity of the arteries, ensuring smoother blood flow and reducing the risk of such complications. In addition to antioxidants, coffee has also been associated with other heart-healthy properties. For instance, some studies suggest that moderate coffee consumption can help lower the risk of developing certain heart conditions, such as heart failure or arrhythmias. This could be due to the bioactive compounds found in coffee that have beneficial effects on heart rhythm and overall cardiac function. However, it's important to note that while moderate coffee consumption can offer these heart health benefits, excessive intake may have the opposite effect. Consuming too much coffee can lead to increased heart rate, high blood pressure, and irregular heart rhythms in some individuals. Therefore, it's crucial to maintain a balanced approach to coffee consumption to reap its potential benefits while minimizing any potential risks to heart health. Lower risk of heart disease. Regular coffee drinkers often exhibit a lower risk of developing heart disease, a finding that has intrigued researchers and health professionals alike. One of the key components in coffee that contributes to this protective effect is antioxidants, such as chlorogenic acid. Antioxidants are known for their ability to combat oxidative stress, a process that can lead to cell damage and contribute to the development of various diseases, including heart disease. Chlorogenic acid, specifically, has been studied for its potential benefits in improving blood vessel function. Healthy blood vessels are crucial for maintaining optimal cardiovascular health as they are responsible for transporting blood, oxygen, and nutrients throughout the body. When blood vessels function efficiently, they help regulate blood pressure and reduce the strain on the heart, thereby lowering the risk of heart disease. Additionally, the antioxidants in coffee have been shown to have a positive impact on cholesterol levels, another significant factor in heart health. High levels of LDL cholesterol, often referred to as bad cholesterol, can lead to the buildup of plaque in the arteries, narrowing them and increasing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. On the other hand, HDL cholesterol, or good cholesterol, helps remove LDL cholesterol from the bloodstream, reducing the risk of plaque formation. Studies have indicated that coffee consumption can help lower LDL cholesterol levels while potentially increasing HDL cholesterol levels. This dual effect on cholesterol levels can contribute to a healthier lipid profile, further reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. However, it's worth noting that the impact of coffee on cholesterol levels can vary from person to person and may depend on factors such as genetics and overall diet. Reduced risk of stroke. Drinking coffee in moderation has been associated with a reduced risk of stroke, adding another dimension to the potential health benefits of this popular beverage. One of the mechanisms through which coffee may offer protection against stroke is its anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a natural immune response that, when chronic or excessive, can contribute to the development of various diseases, including cardiovascular conditions like stroke. Coffee contains compounds with anti-inflammatory properties that can help modulate the body's inflammatory responses. By reducing inflammation, these compounds can help maintain the health and integrity of blood vessels, making them less susceptible to damage or blockages that can lead to stroke. Furthermore, inflammation plays a role in the formation of blood clots, which can obstruct blood flow to the brain and trigger a stroke. The anti-inflammatory properties of coffee may help inhibit the formation of these blood clots, reducing the risk of stroke. Another way coffee may contribute to a reduced risk of stroke is by improving blood flow to the brain. Proper blood flow is essential for delivering oxygen and nutrients to brain cells, maintaining their function and health. By promoting vasodilation, or the widening of blood vessels, coffee can help enhance blood flow to the brain. Improved blood flow can reduce the strain on blood vessels and decrease the risk of ischemic stroke, which occurs when a blood clot blocks an artery supplying blood to the brain. Blood pressure regulation. Caffeine's influence on blood pressure regulation has been a subject of interest in numerous studies, revealing both its potential benefits and considerations for consumption. The relationship between coffee and blood pressure is complex, influenced by various factors such as the amount of caffeine consumed, individual sensitivity to caffeine, and overall lifestyle habits. At moderate levels of consumption, coffee has been associated with long-term reductions in blood pressure, particularly in individuals with elevated blood pressure or hypertension. The mechanisms behind this beneficial effect are multifaceted. One of the primary ways coffee may help regulate blood pressure is through its vasodilatory effects. Vasodilation refers to the widening of blood vessels, which can lead to decreased resistance to blood flow and subsequently lower blood pressure. Certain compounds in coffee, including polyphenols and other bioactive substances, have been shown to promote vasodilation, contributing to improved blood pressure regulation. Furthermore, caffeine's impact on blood pressure can also be linked to its diuretic effect. Caffeine, a key component in coffee, is a mild diuretic, meaning it increases urine production. By promoting fluid loss, caffeine can help reduce blood volume, leading to a temporary decrease in blood pressure. However, it's worth noting that while this diuretic effect can contribute to short-term reductions in blood pressure, excessive caffeine consumption may lead to dehydration if adequate fluid intake is not maintained. Despite these potential benefits, it's important to be mindful of the effects of excessive caffeine intake on blood pressure. In some individuals, especially those who are sensitive to caffeine or have underlying cardiovascular conditions, excessive coffee consumption can lead to temporary spikes in blood pressure. Additionally, high caffeine intake can increase the release of stress hormones like cortisol, which can further elevate blood pressure in some people. For those looking to harness the potential blood pressure lowering benefits of coffee, moderation is key. The American Heart Association recommends limiting caffeine intake to no more than 400 milligrams per day, which is roughly equivalent to 4 cups of brewed coffee for most adults. It's also essential to monitor individual responses to coffee consumption and consider other lifestyle factors that can impact blood pressure, such as diet, exercise, and stress management. So, there you have it, coffee lovers. We've explored the amazing impact of coffee on your heart health, from improved heart function to reduced risk of stroke and blood pressure regulation. Coffee, when enjoyed in moderation and as part of a balanced lifestyle, can be a wonderful ally in keeping your heart healthy and strong. Remember, it's all about moderation. Enjoying a cup or two of your favorite brew can offer a host of benefits for your heart thanks to its antioxidants, anti-inflammatory properties, and more. Whether you prefer it black with a splash of milk or as a frothy latte, savoring that cup of coffee can be a heartwarming experience in more ways than one. So, the next time you reach for that cup of joe, you can feel good knowing that you're not just satisfying your taste buds but also nourishing your heart. If you found this video informative and enjoyed learning about the heart-healthy benefits of coffee, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow coffee enthusiasts, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Stay caffeinated, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.